Hello, I'm Dr. J from OptionMonster.com. The reason Jamie's reports are so valuable, folks, is the VIX is a metric of risk in the market. So as it picks up, that means people are worried about protecting. If the market's been going up, when their VIX is going up, well, then that means they want to protect. They're worried about the market rolling over. If the market's been going down very hard, well, obviously, then they're worried that maybe the market makes a U-turn and goes to the upside. So you got to watch the VIX. That's why this report is so important. Remember, you can follow us on Twitter, twitter.com/optionmonster.com. Take it away, Jamie.
Welcome, this is your Option Monster Volatility Sonar Report. From the floor of the CBOE, this is Jamie Tyrrell of Group 1 Trading. Well, the market is having another quiet day. We're up small in the S&P and the NASDAQ. The Dow is just under even. And the big news is the government is going to allow 10 banks to repay up to $70 billion of the TARP. JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs, among the big banks repaying. Citi, Bank of America are not participating there. It's going to be a longer-term program for them. What we're seeing in the VIX is a big move downward. The VIX cash has moved under 29, and it's about 28.90. And we're seeing, for once, the VIX futures follow it under 30. The front month future, the June future, is just under 30. An interesting phenomenon has been developing in the back months. More and more people are taking the extreme high strikes, the 60 level, the 70 level, out of play. We saw somebody doing that today. They were buying the July 47 calls, an upside call for 50 cents, and they financed that by selling the August 70 calls for 20 cents. So they paid 50 cents for the net spread. What they're really looking to get there is that July 47 upside call, not too worried about the 70 level. And that's consistent with what we've seen across the board. You'll see a lot of bids being hit in the 60s, the 55s, the 70s. People are saying more and more that they don't see a return to the levels that we'd seen earlier. And they're more interested in premiums that are a little bit closer to the 30 levels, the 40 level premium, the 35s. Those are the new upside that people are looking at more and more, and that extreme upside is definitely offered throughout the day today. So that's what we got going here. Jamie Tyrrell with Group 1 Option Monster.